this is $10,000 sushi, and this is $10 sushi. Let's see which sushi this cat prefers. Ooh, okay. Said no to the $10, sniffing the $10,000 roll.
She likes that one.
You know, there's a second roll right here. That was me. I moved the roll.
She's the happiest cat in the world right now.
Yes. The worst part is this isn't even my cat, and now she's gonna expect $10,000 sushi for dinner. Iris, what's your verdict? All right. If you have 10 grand laying around, use it to feed